Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how long it takes to earn a bachelor's degree. And I'm not going to give you the cookie cutter answers that universities give you. I'm going to give you the true answer because they hide this. It's a deep, dark secret, and I'm going to reveal that to you today. I'm going to compare two types of earning degrees. I'm going to compare how long does it take to earn a degree. I'm literally going to break it down by the hour. How long does it take to earn a degree the traditional way? And how long does it take to earn a degree following the process of degree hacking? So if that sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so like I said, we're going to break this down to the hour, okay? But we're going to start week by week, okay? Now, when you sign up or you enroll in college, you're going to take somewhere between 12 and 16 credit hours per semester. That's a traditional college semester, okay? Now, what that means, 12 credit hours per semester, if you're taking 12 credit hours in your semester, that means you will be attending 12 hours per week of college in a classroom. So however many credit hours per semester, that's how many hours per week you're actually in the classroom, okay? So if you break this down, a traditional semester is 12 to 16 credit hours. That means you're going to be in a classroom 12 to 16 hours per week. It's that simple. Now, if we really break this down, you're not only your only required school time. It's not just how many hours you're in the classroom because you have study hours on top of that. Now, what colleges and universities traditionally recommend is for every hour per week you're in a classroom, you should be studying and doing homework for at least 2 hours per credit hour, 2 hours per week of study and homework. Okay. I hope that makes sense. So what this means is if you're taking 12 credit hours, okay, you should be adding at least 2 hours per credit hour per week in homework or study. So what that means is your 12 credit hours in a classroom plus 24 additional hours of study time. Okay. Now, if you're taking 16 credit hours and you add 2 hours per week per credit hour, you're looking at 32 hours per week at very minimum of study time. Okay. So we're going to combine those two together. And what you're going to see is hours per week between classroom hours and study hours. Okay. You're spending between 36 and 48 hours per week as a student minimum. Okay. This is if you're doing 2 hours per week of study per hour in the classroom. That's the very, very bare minimum that colleges and universities recommend. So literally bare minimum to be a full-time college student, you're looking at 36 to 48 hours per week. Okay. Now, a secret that universities hide, they will never, ever tell you this. Okay. And I'm going to share a link to this below in the description, but this is some study done by the National Clearinghouse Research Center. Okay. And as you can see here, this is a little graph where they break down how long it actually takes to earn a bachelor's degree. Now, here's the secret revealed. It does not take 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree. Yes, some students finish their bachelor's degree in 4 years, but a vast majority of students do not. Okay. And as you can see here from the research, you're going to see a little green bar and you're going to see a little pink bar. Okay. The green bar is how many years you're actually enrolled in college, like in an actual semester. The pink bar is how many years elapse from when you start college to when you graduate. Elapsed time is like from the day you become a student till the day you earn your college degree. And as you can see here, different types of universities we're going through: 4-year public schools, 4-year private schools, 4-year private for-profit schools. As you can see here, the average student takes between 5.5 and 9 years to earn a bachelor's degree. Okay, if you really break it down and go deeper into the numbers, the average bachelor's degree is earned in about 6 years. Okay, so when colleges and universities tell you it takes 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree, they're lying. The average student takes about 6 years to earn a bachelor's degree. Now, if you add all these numbers up, okay, and I'm not doing this, I'm not breaking down numbers as if you're literally a student 12 months out of the year. This is if you take 3 months off per year, so your Christmas break and your breaks between semesters, 3 months off per year. If you break it down to the hour, you're talking per year between 1,440 hours and 1,920 hours being a student in school, okay? Now, if you compare that to the average amount of time it takes to really graduate, we're talking between 5 and 8 years is pretty normal. You're talking to earn a bachelor's degree somewhere between 7,200 hours and 15,360 hours. And that is if you follow bare minimum requirements for study and homework time. Okay. So we're talking literally between 7,200 hours and over 15,000 hours, bare minimum, to earn a bachelor's degree. That is so much more than colleges tell you it takes to earn your degree. They hide it, they bury it under the rug, they say it takes 4 years. That's not the case. This is the truth. This is how long it actually takes to earn a bachelor's degree. Now, let's break down if you want to earn a bachelor's degree following the process of degree hacking. And if you don't know what degree hacking is, that's what my channel is all about. I earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat by testing out of all of my classes. And I teach people how to do that. If you do want to learn how to do that, just subscribe to the channel. I've got tons of videos walking you through the process. Okay. Now, if you follow this process and you test out of your classes and you take your degree at your own pace, let's break it down. How long is it actually going to take you? Okay. Now, most students that I work with, the goal is to finish one class per week. That's what I encourage students that I work with to do. Try to finish one college class per week. Okay. Now, if you're wondering how many hours per week, I generally recommend trying to put about 20 hours per week into school. Okay. So one class per week testing out of in about 20 hours. Okay. Now, some classes take way less time than that. Sometimes you're going to come across a class that's really hard and it's going to take a little bit longer, but that's kind of the general average. Okay. Now, a bachelor's degree is traditionally 40 classes. Okay. Depending on the major, sometimes it can be 41, 42. Sometimes it can be less. It can be 39. Just depends on the major, but traditionally a bachelor's degree is 40 classes. Okay. If you do one class per week, you're talking 40 weeks to graduation. That's right about 9 months. Okay. Now at 20 hours a week, that would be about 800 hours. Okay. So we're talking upwards of 15,000 hours, the traditional approach, to 800 hours with degree hacking. Now, I will be fully transparent. Some students I work with go faster than this. Okay. Some students I work with will do 2 classes a week. And you're talking, less than 500 hours for an entire bachelor's degree. Some students I work with have crazy busy lives. Some students I work with are slower learners. Some students I work with do one class every other week and go shoot for about 18 months to graduate. So it does vary a little bit, but we're talking between 500 and 1,000 hours to graduate if you're just really breaking this down for a majority of students that follow this process. So colleges and universities, they've been lying to you for many, many, many years. Literally our entire lives, we've learned it takes 4 years to earn a bachelor's degree. That's not the case. On average, it takes about 6 years. And if you break it down by the hour, it's just an insane, crazy amount of time to earn a bachelor's degree. Now, if you're looking at this thinking, heck yes, I would love to earn a degree in months instead of years and way, way less hours, degree hacking is the fastest way I have ever seen to earn a college degree. It works for bachelor's degrees. It works for master's degrees. It works for some associates. Normally, I recommend skipping the associates because it's easier to just go straight for the bachelor's. But you can literally earn college degrees in months instead of years And the cool thing is, the faster you graduate, the less money you pay if you're choosing the right schools. There are schools that literally charge you for how long it takes you to graduate instead of how many classes you're taking. So you can literally earn your entire degree in months for pennies on the dollar. Now, I don't have time to walk you through the whole process in this video. So what I'll do, I'm going to leave a link down below to what I call my free degree hacking tutorial. It's totally free. And I walk you through the process of hacking college, testing out of your classes, how to do that, what schools to choose, how to choose the right schools, and all your questions should be answered. Okay. I'll leave that link down below in the video description. If you're on your phone, just tap the video title with your thumb, pops up in the video description. Super easy. Like I said, no strings attached. It's just a free training. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any questions or comments, leave comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click the notification bell. And you'll start seeing more videos like this of me showing you how to graduate college faster and save a whole bunch of money on tuition. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you in the next video.